Sige. Hi guys, it's now 12:39 in the afternoon. We're now having our lunch here at Momo Ramen. It's actually malapit sa um, bagong accommodation or hotel na pagsustayan namin here in Boracay. We ordered their spicy ramen. Medyo madami siya. So, good for sharing. Like, cheesy beef. Ayan. Parang naging food vlog ako, di ba? Food vlog. Cute ng kanin nila ito. Mini rice. Mini rice. Just a share. Actually, ginol talaga namin kumain dito kasi nakita namin yung vlog ni Julia Barreto. Kumain sila dito. Juju on the go. Hi, Julia! Wow! Ang sarap. Perfect balance yung lasa niya. Yung beef, and then yung seasoning, and then yung cheese. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap niya. Hindi ko na-expect. Nahirapan ako mag-chopstick ng kanin, so ayoko na magpanggap. So, alas 2 yung check-in. Nag-e-trike kami from Station 3 Butas. Station 3 Butas. Parang BGC Butas lang. Sumakay kami doon ng e-trike. And surprisingly, I'm not sure kung flat rate na yung e-trike fare dito. Kasi 150. Yung dun sa Boracay Express, originally 150 siya. Pero parang may patong kasi nag-ask kami ng assistance and wala kami ng app. Wow. Yun to. 2 PM na rin check-in. Pabalik kami lang after namin kumain. Tapos gagala-gala na. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta today. Kung itutuloy ba namin yung Poca Beach or sa Station 2 or Station 1 kami magsistay for a while. And magsaswim. Hi guys, so we just checked into our second accommodation here in Boracay Island, which is Canvas Inn. Ang ganda ng room. Ayan. Not sure kung nakikita nyo na maigi. This is actually the second time na magsistay ako dito sa Canvas Inn. The first one is during my first time din sa Boracay Island. That time, we stayed on their single room, if I'm not mistaken, because this is a studio room. Here in the studio room, you can actually cook your own food. As you can see, they were able to provide some necessary equipment for you to be able to cook your food. So, very perfect talaga siya for those na on a budget. Imbes na kumain sa labas, you have an option to cook your own rice and your own ulam. Meron ng mga provided na cooking utensils. Ulam na lang talaga. Meron na rin mga plato, baso, para hindi na kayo bibili ng mga disposables outside. Di ba very boho vibes lang yung room. Napakaganda. Very Instagrammable. Ito naman yung bed. Not sure kung nakikita nyo pero merong extra mattress doon. Ayan. So, ipupull lang siya para merong extra bed dito. This is our room for 2 nights. Very ganda. Diba? Ganda. Bongga. This is the CR, guys. Complete rin yan with shampoo and body wash. And then they have a hot shower and bidet. Para sa mga nangangailangan ng bidet, yes, meron silang bidet. So yan, very decent naman. Malinis yung CR. As always. Now, let me show you kung ano yung tsura ng labas. Very maganda. Ano siya? This is the outside of the room. Yan siya. As you can see, ang ganda dito. Very peaceful lang din. That's the room. So, hi guys. Kakatapos lang ng quick Boracay brownout. We will be going to Sunnyside Cafe to try it. And somehow siguro mag-enjoy na lang din watching the sunset and mag-swim ng onte. So, yun lang. I'll update you guys back again mamaya. Hi guys, we're now here at Sunnyside Cafe where we are having our, ano ba to, merienda? Yeah, I think this is the merienda. Ang ganda ng view. First time kong kumain dito. It's been planned from the previous visits pero hindi kami lagi nakakapunta dito. Pero now, I'm glad we are here na. I'm gonna show you later yung mga in-order namin. And yeah, we're just currently enjoying the view. Yan, ang ganda. Look at the view. Basta ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng view. Actually, Sunnyside is located at Station 1 at Boracay. So, yan. Ang ganda ng view. Hopefully, makita namin mamaya yung sunset dito. Which is, yun naman talaga yung pinaka-goal namin. That's why we ate here, to see the sunset. This is Moxie, guys. Hey, Moxie. Hello. Hi, guys. Good morning. So, he just finished prepping and we're now having our brunch. We're here in Calmado Cafe. So, I ordered latte. Taray, diba? Aesthetic ang mug. Yan. Pati ang straw aesthetic. Sarap ng coffee. We ordered chicken karage. Ayun. After namin kumain, I think pupunta kami ng Bulabog area kasi malapit lang yun dito. And then, inisip namin kung saan kami magsuswim today. Hindi siya ganun kaaraw. Yun, kakain muna tayo. Wala, gusto ko din ng spam. Hi guys, so we're now on our way to Bulabog Beach. Very walking distance lang siya dito sa accommodation namin. Papasok lang kayo dun sa may eskinita sa bungad. Makikita niyo yung Momo Ramen, may eskinita doon. Ito, nasa main road na siya. Lakad lang kayo diretso papunta sa Bulabog Beach. We're gonna try to visit another cafe. Medyo bumaba na yung caffeine sa katawan namin. We wanna try their coffee. So as you can see, we're now close to Bulabog Beach. Yun lang, straight lang yung lakad nyo from the road, from our accommodation. Nasa Bulabog Beach na tayo. Kita niyo yung famous I Love Boracay sign. We're now in Bulabog Beach. Dito pala located guys yung famous Boracay na bent tree. Ayan, marami nagpapapicture. Ayan. Kita niyo ba sila? And kapag hindi maganda yung weather sa main beach, dito ginagawa usually mga activities like crystal kayak and all. So, ayan. This is the Bulabog Beach area. Maganda naman. Diba? Ang nice. Kahit di masyado maganda yung weather kasi mahangin. So, we're now on the way dun sa Calma Cafe Shop. Kanina nasa Kalmado tayo. Ngayon, we're going to Calma. Ang ganda dito. I'm not sure nakikita nyo na. Pero, puro coconut. So, parang lumalaban sa Coconut Road. Eme-eme ng Siargao. Diba? Actually, first time ko lang makapunta sa part na to ng Bulabog. The last time na I went here, that was actually the first time I've been to Boracay. Doon lang kami nagstay sa bungad ng Bulabog Beach. At saka medyo ano yun, habagat season. Because that was around September. Itong part na to, ngayon ko lang ito napuntahan. Buti na lang sementado, patag yung daan. Like, may effort. Ginawa nila ng mga patwok-patwok. Like, yan, kita nyo, di ba? Medyo malayo pala to, nakakaloka. Ito yung Aqua Boracay. Ay, gagi, ang ganda. Hala. Ay, yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda dito, Ang eksena ng harap, ang front beach ng Aqua Boracay. Aqua Boracay. It's nice. Bongga. Ay, malapit na yung coffee shop. Parang yan na yung coffee shop. Ganda dito, guys, Nung, ako ko na justify ba ng video. Pero, ang ganda ng front beach ng Aqua Boracay. Medyo mahangin lang talaga dito. Hi, guys. So, after the long walk, we're now here at Calma Cafe. Kapakalayo pala nito. Sa main Diniwid Beach. Pero yeah, we're already here. And hindi masyado maraming tao. Pero, nung on the way kami, may maraming mga grupo nakakagaling lang dito. So, right now, hindi na ganun kadami. We're just gonna order some coffee and pizza. So, yun na yung merienda today. So, yun lang. I'm gonna show you the food later. Hi guys. So, we're now here at Station 2. Medyo malumot pa pala dito sa area na to. Actually, same sa Station 1. We went last night sa Station 1. Medyo malumot po. Dito din. Very matcha. Matcha Beach. So, maganda mag-swim dun sa Station 3 kasi wala lang lumot. That's where we stayed during our first day. Napaka-perfect ng swim doon. So, yun. Ayan. So, di ba? Daming lumot. Bongga. Actually, hindi eh. Medyo less na siya. Sakto lang. Saktong lumot. So, hi guys. It's now It's now almost 7:30. Kakagaling namin sa Station 2. Naligo saglit because we're gonna be having a massage scheduled at 8 p.m. sa The District Boracay. Since medyo masakit-sakit ang mga katawan natin from the hampas na mga alon. So yun, may schedule kami and then we're planning to have dinner after. Siguro baka kumain kami ulit sa Chicken Inasal Boracay since ang sarap ng inasal. Let's see kung maabutan namin siyang bukas after the massage and kung wala masyadong pila. Hi guys, we're now at D-Mall. Welcome to D-Mall guys. Punta na tayo ng District Boracay for the massage. Parang ngayon ko lang kayo nadala sa D-Mall. Trying to find a way papunta doon sa district. Actually, alam ko sa Station 1 lang siya. So, malapit siya sa Henel Crystal Sand. So, trying to walk slowly lang din kasi grabe, nakakapagod din lumangoy ha. Like, ang sakit sa katawan. Yung mga hampas ng alon. So, that's why we decided to have a massage. Hindi ganun kadaming tao ngayon sa Boracay. Sabi nung nakausap namin ng local, even though for us, ang dami ng tao, hindi daw to madami. Kasi tag-ulan na daw. Unlike kapag summer, marami daw talaga. Like yung peak ng summer season. So, bango. Ang dami mga nag-grill. Ang dami mga nag-iihaw. Nakakagutom. Actually, ako kasi guys, parang mas gusto ko yung hindi pa nakakain bago mag-massage. Pero may mga tao na kumakain muna, then massage after. So, I'm not sure kung ano yung dapat. We're here, the District Boracay. So, we're now here inside the district. Tari naman pala dito, bongga. Hala, sayang. Ang ganda siguro dito pag umaga. We decided to have a massage ng gabi para marami kami magawa. Ang ganda dito guys. Sabi daw, akit daw kami for the spa. Parang very modern din, parang Henan lang ang atake. Hoy, bongga. Bongga na hagdanan. Yan, taray. Parang akala mo condominium lang, parang ganun. Hiningal ako. Bongga. We actually booked this on third-party app. Look at the entrance ng massage. Yay! We're here. Hi guys. So, we just finished having our massage and we're now here at Boracay Chicken Inasal to have our dinner. And grabe, sobrang nakaka-relax yung massage sa the district. Highly recommended kasi sobrang somehow very affordable na rin nung massage and napakaganda ng service. Medyo nakatulog ng onte pero ayun, sobrang relaxing, sobrang sulit na massage. And we choose to eat here again for the second time kasi sobrang sarap ng inasal nila. So we ate here during our first night. So this is our third night. Yeah, this is our third night already. So I just went for the usual, the same order, which is yung pecho nila, which is yung breast with wings. So, yun. This is my order. Pecho inasal. Like, sobrang sarap niya. As in. Mas masarap pa siya kaysa sa other brand. So far, ito yung favorite chicken inasal ko. We're now gonna eat. Actually, ang sarap niya kahit wala siyang thank you po. Ang sarap niya kahit wala siyang any sauce, yung sausawan. As it is, napaka-perfect. So, for those of you who are gonna be in Boracay, I highly suggest you try this restaurant. Actually, nung first night namin dito, when we ate, sobrang haba ng pila. Lalo siguro pag peak hours. Pero ngayon kasi, it is already almost 10 p.m. Wala nang pila. Oh.